Meaning of helmeted.
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 Helmeted. Helmeted is an adjective that describes something or someone as having a helmet on their head. The word can be used to describe various things, including sports equipment, military attire, and safety gear. When something is described as helmeted, it usually implies that there is a protective function or purpose behind the wearing of a helmet. For example, a cyclist may wear a helmet to protect their head in the event of an accident. In general, helmeted suggests a sense of preparedness and caution in the face of potential danger.